Welcome back to our Health Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips, and suggestions on how to live a healthier and happier life using natural methods and remedies. If you like what you see, be sure to click the like and share button. Kale and roasted cauliflower salad. Roasted cauliflower and fresh kale come together in a salad recipe designed to keep your heart healthy and your belly full. This roasted cauliflower kale salad is a hearty, super flavorful salad filled with tons of amazing texture. It's a super satisfying vegetarian meal, but it's also a fantastic base for whatever protein you want to add. The roasted cauliflower mixed with all of the other cold, crunchy ingredients is just amazing. Ingredients: cauliflower topping, 1 pound cauliflower florets, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, salad, 1/4 c, lemon juice, 3 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1 bunch kale, ribs removed, chopped, 1/4 small red onion, very thinly sliced, 1/3 c, crumbled feta cheese, 1/3 c, golden raisins, 1/3 c, pine nuts. Directions: on a large rim baking sheet, toss cauliflower florets with olive oil and 1/8 teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Roast in 450 F oven for 25 minutes, or until stems are tender. In large bowl, whisk lemon juice, olive oil and 1/2 teaspoon salt. Toss kale with dressing. Let stand at least 5 minutes. To kale, add cooked cauliflower, onion, feta cheese, golden raisins and toasted pine nuts. Toss until well combined. If you like our channel, share with your friends, press the like button and let us know if you like this recipe. Until next time. And remember, a healthy life is a happy life.